today's video po ay I just want to show you. Ano po ito? Galing ng Aldashing. I received a sponsor from Aldashing. 3 fake nails. So magpapaganda tayo. In my entire life, hindi ko pa naranasang maglagay ng ganyan sa kamay ko. So, you know naman guys, ganyan ako ka simple. So, mag-i-inarte tayo ngayon. Ay, hindi naman pag-i-inarte, pero dahil sa ito ay sponsor at libre, so itatry natin, why not, diba? Hindi naman masama. So, magpapaganda tayo ng kuko. Ang kuko ko po ay napakalinggit. So, kung inyong mapapansin, malinggit. Hindi po ako nag-cutics, ganun. Pero, dahil sa ito ay sponsor at pinadala nila sa akin na libre, so itatry natin kung talagang paano gamitin at kung talagang maganda ba sa akin. First time, yeah? So, from Aldashing, thank you so much. So, ayan guys, tatlo. Ayan ang kulay na pinili ko kasi ayoko naman ng ibang kulay, pero maganda naman siya. Ayan, same color but different designs. So, ayan, Aldashing.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all.
5 steps on how to use it, how to apply. So we need to read this. Step 1. Choose the best size nail to your finger and set aside in order. We need to choose all those nails that are fit to my fingers. Okay. The last one, the smallest one. Yeah. So I have here 10 pieces. So we need to read the next step. So we will set this aside. So here guys, meron silang ganito. So titingnan natin kung ano ito at paano gamitin. So step 2, wipe each nail using the alcohol wipe provided before applying. So meron ditong wipes. Ito siya. So alcohol wipes daw ito. Okay, they provided 2 pieces alcohol wipes.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna
This smells good. This alcohol wipes smells good. So, step 3. Peel off the film and align under cuticle carefully. Ooh, peel off the film and align under cuticle carefully. So, there's a film. Okay, there's a film here. Peel off natin ito. I-try natin. Ito yung film. Set-aside lang natin. Tapos, i-press daw. Pala. Peel off the film and align under cuticle carefully. Oh. Okay, peel off the film and align under. Press down firmly with your thumb for at least 15 seconds. Okay. 15 seconds you need to press firmly with your thumb. Thumb daw. Okay, thumb. In 15 seconds. Next. Peel off the film. And align under cuticle carefully. Next. Oh my gosh. I'm not used to do this for my nails, but this is just a try. Next one. Align under the cuticle. Opla. And press 15 seconds. Next one is this. Why it's so hard? Okay. I think it's not easy to the other hand because of these long nails. I hope I can do it. Okay, it looks great. The next one, the thumb. Look, it's not easy to take off the so look at that, guys. It's very nice. I love the color, it's just shiny. I don't know if I can cut this, that it will be little bit shorter, because I'm not used to wear like this sulong. Maybe I can cut this. But it's great. Okay, let's do the other hand.
It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
The last one.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would. to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it.
So, this is it.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside
Maganda siya, guys. Look pretty! My finger looks pretty now. I am not sure if I can cut this. Maybe I will try. I'm not used to have long nails, so I don't know. What's gonna be happening? But I will try to wear this for 3 days, guys. Then I will take this off because it says here to remove, peel off nails gently by sides using the manicure stick. So they have here a stick. So this one, using a manicure stick, you can peel off the nails. So ito namang file, this file, you can use this if necessary. You can file if necessary. Let's see, after 3 days I will show you what's gonna happen.
that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I will.
I just trimmed it because I don't like it so long. And then I filed to replenish the edge. And it's fine. This is the 3rd day. Looks good. And here's the other side, the right side.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
This is the first time that I use these fake nails or press-on nails. This is the first time, but I'm in love with it. I thank you all Dashing for sending me these gifts. It's three gifts. I received 3 gifts. The first one is this. I tried it already. And the second one is this. And this is what I'm wearing now. And I can say that I love it. It's easy, guys, because they have here the instruction what you need to do, 5 steps on how to apply. So first one, step 1, choose the best size nail to your finger. Step 2, wipe each nail using the alcohol wipes. And step 3, peel off the film and align under cuticle carefully. Step 4, press down firmly with your thumb for at least 15 seconds. And step 5, file the nail if necessary. So they have all this instruction here in this box. The only thing I'm looking here is the name of this product, of these nails, but they don't have here. I had 3 products from them, and I choose Sparkling French, Just Gliss, and Crush on You. So these 3 products are those what I've mentioned. And it's so easy to do it. You can have instant manicure. And it has wipes, alcohol wipes included, and a file and a manicure stick. And this one is extra glue if you want to reuse the nails. So for example, if you want to take this off and you want to reuse, of course the glue here is not effective anymore. It will not stick anymore. So they have here another glue that you can use. What you need to do is you just need to put this in your finger, and then the nails is the next. So it's so easy. And you know, guys, in their website you can see all the information on how to remove, how to apply. They also provide a video there on how to reuse the product. And in their website, alldashing.com, you can see different kinds of designs that you will love. They also have new products and new designs for your toes, and that's different, and I'm planning to order that one. Guys, I can recommend you their products. It's affordable, easy to use, and it is safe. It's not harmful to your nails. Every box have 30 pieces of nails with different sizes, and it has 2 pieces alcohol wipes with 1 manicure stick and with small file to file your nails. So I can recommend you that you should try their products because it's affordable and easy to use. You can have your instant manicure or instant pedicure. They also have for your toes. So that's the next one that I want to try. To get a manicure and pedicure here is so expensive, and for this fake nails, you can do it by yourself, and you can do it anytime you want, and you can choose what you want also, what style you want, what design you want, you can choose. So guys, it's recommendable product. All Dashing, thank you so much for sending me these gifts. I love it, and you make my nails pretty. Thank you so much. You don't need to go to salon anymore. You can stay at home and make your nails pretty. Guys, before I end up my video, please visit the description under this video, and you can see there the promotion that they can offer to you, and I will put there their website, their social media account. You can find the information under this video. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, everyone.